G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now a quick review today of this 2.4 gigahertz wireless mouse that I've been using for the past week. Now I got this from Amazon Australia, and this is from the seller called AKROBO, and it only costs $16.50. I thought I'd do a quick review on it today. Now as you can see here, it's a 2.4 gigahertz wireless mouse. It has dual mode, so this actually does have Bluetooth 5.1 built in it as well. As you can see here, it's got a 15 meter wireless range, 1600 DPI, and works off a USB Nano for charging. On the side here, you can see that it says it's a silent design. So that's actually true. When you click the buttons, you can't even hear it. Unlike my original mouse from my PC, it's a wired one, and each time you press the button, you can clearly hear it clicking each time you do it. So, but this one is dead silent. And underneath that, it says it's got an intelligent energy saving design. Now they're stating that once you fully charge this, because it's got a rechargeable battery within it, when you charge this up via USB, the battery should last up to a month, guys, 30 days. I haven't used it that long. Like I said, I've only used it for a week. So if it can last up to another 3 weeks without me charging it, that's going to be great. Between charge times, that you don't have to really worry about it too much, recharging all the time. And it's also got the 15 meter range once again, and high speed response buttons, which, yeah, it is very responsive, especially compared to my original mouse for my PC. So let's open it up, guys, and we'll have a quick look at it. Just a quick review today, guys. As you can see, we've got the nano USB adapter here. We also got the charger cable as well, and we've got the mouse itself. There it is there, guys. Now you can get this in 3 different colors. You can get it in black, galaxy silver, or just your standard gray like this one. I just decided to choose the gray one. So as you can see here, the top buttons are very silent, and they integrate to the rest of the top cover. This button here is the Windows home button. So as soon as you might be browsing on the internet, you can click this button and it'll go straight to your home screen automatically. I like this feature because I've always had to, close down all the windows that I've got open just to get back to the home screen. But this one just automatically takes you all the way back to the home screen. It's got like a home screen emblem there. You probably can't see it in that light, but yeah, it's got a little icon there. And this is your DPI button as well on the bottom, guys. So by pressing this button, this actually scrolls through different LED colors as well along the sides here. It looks really cool. It goes from red, purple, blue, green, yellow. Now it looks pretty cool, especially at night. Now on the top here, we've got our scroll wheel, of course, and the clickable button, so you can automatically scroll up and down the screen. And on the back here, we've got the on and off switch. Okay, and it's just in standby mode there. And we click it, that switch down, it's in Bluetooth mode. That's what I primarily use it in Bluetooth mode. Okay, it's also called the M103 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth wireless mouse. It also comes with a little user manual here, just to show you, the functions and the buttons. This is in Chinese and English. Okay, so just a quick start guide. Very small writing, but you can have a quick look at that if you want. I didn't even bother, I just started using it straight away. So anyway, guys, just a quick review on this mouse that I ordered from Amazon Australia. If you're interested in getting one of these, there'll be a link in the description below to Amazon Australia at the AKROBO seller store. All right, guys, so if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next video.